A table is an item of furniture with a flat top and one or more legs, used as a surface for working at, eating from, or on which to place things. Some common types of tables are the dining room table, which is used for seated person to eat meals, the coffee table, which is a low table used in living rooms to display items or serve refreshments, and the bedside table, which is used to place an alarm clock and a lamp. There are also a range of specialized types of tables, such as drafting tables used for doing architectural drawings, sewing tables used to hold sewing machines, and writing desks, which are used for handwriting and office work. Tables come in a wide variety of materials, shapes, and heights depending upon their origin, style, intended use, and cost. Many tables are made of wood or wood-based products. Some are made of other materials including metal and glass. Most tables are composed of a flat surface and one or more supports or legs. Long tables often have extra legs for support. Hello dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have brought to you part 2 of our metal leg writing desk design ideas video for your inspiration. You can use these designs to try to make your own metal leg writing desks at home. Watch the video until the end to never miss a thing and choose an inspiring design for your next project. You can even turn these plans or designs into a lucrative small-scale manufacturing business with a small initial investment on basic tools and materials. If you haven't watched the part 1 video, please do so by using the links in the video description and on the screen. If you are new to the channel and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to our channel and smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Your subscription means a lot to us and inspires us to create more content. Therefore, please do so if you haven't already. If you are already a subscribed member, please like and share this video so that it could reach a wide range of audience. Table, a basic article of furniture known and used in the Western world since at least the 7th century BCE, consisting of a flat slab of stone, metal, wood, or glass supported by trestles, legs, or a pillar. Egyptian tables were made of wood, Assyrian of metal, and Grecian usually of bronze. Roman tables took on quite elaborate forms, the legs carved in the shapes of animals. Cedar and other exotic woods with a decorative grain were employed for the tops, and the tripod legs were made of bronze or other metals. Early medieval tables were of a fairly basic type. With the growing formality of life in the feudal period, tables took on a greater social significance. Although small tables were used in private apartments in the great hall of a feudal castle, the necessity of feeding a host of retainers stimulated the development of an arrangement whereby the master and his guests sat at a rectangular table on a dais surmounted by a canopy, while the rest of the household sat at tables placed at right angles to this one. A desk is a piece of furniture with a flat table-style work surface used in a school, office, or home, or the like for academic, professional, or domestic activities such as reading, writing, or using equipment such as a computer. Desks often have one or more drawers, compartments, or pigeonholes to store items such as office supplies and papers. Desks are usually made of wood or metal, although materials such as glass are sometimes seen. Some desks have the form of a table, although usually only one side of a desk is suitable to sit at, unlike most usual tables. Some desks do have the form of a table and are built with a large wardrobe-like cabinet and a portable desk. Since many people lean on a desk while using it, a desk must be sturdy. In most cases, people sit at the desk either on a separate chair or a built-in chair, as in some school desks. Some people use standing desks to be able to stand while using them. One of the potential areas in which you are more likely to use a writing desk is in the home office. The prospect of working from home has gained credibility over the years. Home offices can now compete with small commercial businesses and save on rent in the process. It may also be possible to tax deduct some of your home expenses while running a home-based business. Faxes, high-speed internet connections, dedicated home telephone lines, and cell phones help to make a home-based business a reality. Earlier, home businesses had been where families lived on the second floor of their house while converting the first floor into a store, where upon close of business they would secure the first floor and retire to the upper floors. This type of home business is still done in some areas. Many home businesses are started off in a much smaller capacity while the owner is still employed elsewhere, and then expanded once they are proven to be profitable. What you consider to start as a home business depends on your interest and experience. If you are planning to launch your business from home, the first thing to do is to check out what commercial activity your city or country allows in your neighborhood. This is becoming easier to do as many communities are making their codes available on their websites. Tabletops can be virtually in any shape, although rectangular, square, round, and oval tops are the most frequent. Others have higher surfaces for personal use while either standing or sitting on a tall stool. Many tables have tops that can be adjusted to change their height, position, shape, or size, either with foldable, sliding, or extensions parts that can alter the shape of the top. Some tables are entirely foldable for easy transportation. Writing desks are simple pieces of furniture that help inspire new pieces of art and non-fiction. One desktop and perhaps a drawer or two to help with the organization of stationery and other items. The drawers can either be centered or positioned to one side. These days, most people don't write much with their pen, and so writing desks have morphed into simple desks that allow you to house your laptop comfortably and aren't designed to support larger equipment. The slender build of writing desks means they are more versatile and can be included in a variety of different places throughout the home without looking bulky and lost. Steel is known as one of the most resilient materials out there, so opting for a high-quality base made out of steel will result in getting an original design that will last forever. You can make unique table bases that will enrich your interior and exterior and bring them to the next level. If you are not completely satisfied with the look of your writing table at the moment, and it seems like you want to use something that stands out, unique table bases may be the perfect solution. Incorporating just one custom design piece into your interior or exterior will give the entire space a whole new look. Custom table bases can turn any space from dull and empty looking to a vibrant area where everybody would like to hang out. Modern designs of table bases vary from abstract, modern, rustic, traditional to any other style you can think of. These designs will fit perfectly for an industrial table, a unique dining table, coffee table, or writing tables alike. Well, dear viewers, as you can see in the video, we have compiled a number of interesting metal leg writing desk design ideas for your inspiration. Which one is your favorite and why? Let us know in the comment section. By now you know that our channel is full of inspiring videos which you can use in your project from time to time. If you like our content, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.